We're about to demystify the science behind building lean, defined forearms, revealing the most effective, scientifically backed methods to transform your physique and functional strength. By the end of this journey, you'll possess a roadmap to not just bigger arms, but a more powerful grip, enhanced lifting performance, and the kind of aesthetic detail that commands attention. This isn't just about looks, it's about building a foundation of strength that will translate to every single lift you perform in the gym, from pull-ups to rows. The journey to lean forearms begins not with a single exercise, but with a deep understanding of their anatomy and function. The forearm is a complex structure, comprising over a dozen muscles, broadly categorized into two groups: the flexors on the palm side and the extensors on the back of the hand side. Most people make a critical mistake by focusing almost exclusively on the flexors, performing countless wrist curls. While these are useful, they neglect the extensor muscles, which are crucial for balanced development and injury prevention. This oversight is a major twist in the tale of forearm training. True growth comes from a holistic approach, not isolated movements. You must train both sides of the forearm with equal intensity. The forearms are also unique in their composition. They are a dense network of slow-twitch muscle fibers, meaning they respond best to higher repetitions and time under tension, rather than pure, heavy weight. This is a crucial distinction and a payoff for understanding the underlying science. For optimal growth, you need to incorporate a mix of heavy, low-representative work for strength, and high-rep, lighter work for hypertrophy. A perfect example of this duality is the farmer's walk. You load up 2 heavy dumbbells and simply walk. It's deceptively simple. This single exercise simultaneously taxes your grip, core, and shoulders, but it's the intense, continuous grip endurance required that truly lights up the forearms. It builds immense crushing strength while also forcing the muscles to work under prolonged tension, stimulating both strength and size gains. It's the ultimate bang for your buck movement. But here's the twist. If you think the farmer's walk is the only tool in your arsenal, you're missing a critical piece. The real secret lies in variability. You need to incorporate exercises that challenge the forearms from different angles and in different ways. Consider the plate pinch. You take 2 weight plates, smooth sides facing out, and simply pinch them together with your fingers for as long as you can. This exercise directly targets the muscles responsible for pinch grip strength, which is often a weak point for many lifters. It's a humbling exercise that reveals a lot about your grip strength foundation. For targeting the often neglected extensors, a simple yet powerful exercise is the reverse barbell curl. Instead of an underhand grip, you use an overhand grip, which shifts the focus from your biceps to the forearm extensors. It's a fantastic way to create balance and prevent imbalances that can lead to elbow pain. The wrist roller is another old-school classic that is making a comeback for a reason. You attach a weight to a rope on a handle and simply roll the weight up and down using only your wrists. This brutal exercise provides continuous tension through the entire range of motion, which is a key driver for muscle growth. The final, and perhaps most overlooked, twist is the power of isometric holds. Simply holding a heavy weight for time, whether it's a pull-up bar, a dumbbell, or a kettlebell, can create an incredible hypertrophic stimulus. Think about it. A pull-up in itself is a fantastic forearm workout, but holding that final representative at the top for as long as possible? That's where the real magic happens. By weaving together these varied movements, heavy carries, pinch grips, reverse curls, and isometric holds, you're not just working your forearms, you're bombarding them with a multifaceted stimulus that forces them to adapt and grow. The payoff is a pair of forearms that are not just strong, but sculpted, with every muscle group properly developed. Now, take this knowledge and put it to the test. Incorporate these principles into your routine. Start with just 2 or 3 of these exercises, and perform them consistently. The only thing standing between you and the forearms you've always wanted is the commitment to this new, more intelligent approach. Remember, The forearms are the handshake of strength. What kind of story do you want yours to tell?